Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about what is Amazon private label dropshipping and how can you leverage it to make a whole lot of money.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. If you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan talk about all things Amazon, whether that's FBA, private label dropshipping, which is what we're going to cover, or e-commerce in general. If you like that stuff, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit. You may even win a PlayStation 2. So guys, we get a buttload of questions on this whole selling on Amazon thing. You guys would be surprised at how many messages we get per day, and there's a lot of questions pertaining to this. What is private label dropshipping? Okay, so a lot of people have heard of what dropshipping is, but a lot of people don't know what private label dropshipping is. We all know private labeling traditionally is Amazon FBA, where you go to a supplier, you find one, find a product that you like, and you put your own spin on it. Okay, you say, hey, make it this color and in this packaging and this and this and this and this and do whatever. All right, and then you send it into Amazon. Amazon takes it and they send it out, and that's private label fulfillment by Amazon, because Amazon is fulfilling those orders. Drop shipping, so essentially you are the middleman. You have a store, or in this case it's Amazon. You have listings on Amazon. You get an order on Amazon, you fulfill that order through a supplier over here. So you are the middleman at this point. Then there's Amazon, your supplier. You're just connecting these two to help your customer get their product. Amazon, you get an order on Amazon, you take a look at it, you're like, all right, boom, you go to your supplier sends it directly to the customer. You don't ever see the product, you don't have to touch the product, you don't have to do anything besides facilitate that deal. And that's why it's so powerful. You don't have to get your hands dirty, sit back and make money. So how do you combine those two? Private label dropshipping is a merger of that. It's a beautiful marriage because it gives you something custom to send off to your customer. Now, you don't necessarily have to do all the fancy packaging or have to do all these color variations and things of that nature. You are just taking something and making it your own, whether that's through a bundle or whether that's through packaging, whether that's through like a completely different product color or a completely different product itself. And then you're using Amazon as a hosting platform for that listing, and then when a customer places an order, use your supplier, ship it directly to that customer. That's all it is. It's drop shipping on a very low level, just with a spin on it. Now, it's not what most people are associating Amazon drop shipping with, which is online retail arbitrage. That is against Amazon's terms of service. Private label drop shipping or third-party fulfillment is within Amazon's guidelines. Now, if you guys want to stay on Amazon's platform, you got to play nice, you got to follow the rules. Online retail arbitrage is against the rules because you're using places like Walmart, Target, and all that stuff. Private label dropshipping, you're using a supplier, not a big box retailer. You're actually using a supplier to fulfill those orders for you. It can get kind of taxing. You're trying to figure out, what products you want to sell, how do you want them to look, and things of that nature. And we'll go into that in another video, but this is just what is private label dropshipping? What is Amazon private label dropshipping? And that's it. It is essentially taking your own product and then drop shipping it to a customer. So now you guys know what private label dropshipping is. Now you guys know how you're gonna make a whole lot of money with it. You know how it works. And hopefully you guys can start leveraging it today. Now, I will say, if you're gonna be private label dropshipping, you guys need to have a professional Amazon account, which is $39.99 a month before you guys go. Make sure you check out the links below, our free Facebook group. We give away tons of knowledge, man. We also give away tons of free stuff, PlayStations and Xboxes and Nintendo Switches and iPads and all types of craziness. If you guys wanna learn about Amazon, check it out, get there. Also, our free ebook. If you guys wanna learn how to do what we do and sell on Amazon, check out the free ebook, guys, man, get on it, make some money, stop being lazy. It's 2018, it's almost 2019, it's fourth quarter. You need to be in there making mother trucking money. All right, so I will catch you guys later. Peace out.